Sa video ito ay pag-aaral naman natin ang tungkol sa multiplication of rational numbers in the form of fractions and decimals. Simulan natin sa mga fractions. Sabihin natin binigyan tayo ng 4 over 7 times 2 over 5. Tandaan po natin dahil ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay rational number, ibig sabihin included din dapat dito yung rules in multiplying integers dahil maaari tayong magkaroon ng mga negative numbers na kailangan nating i-multiply. So, anong una natin gagawin? Ang una nyo munang gagawin sa pag-solve ng ganitong problem ay, first, multiply the numerator. So, magiging, ang numerators ay yung mga number na nasa itaas. Ito yon yung 4 at saka 2. So, magiging 4 times 2 over step number 2, multiply the denominator. So, yung denominators ay yung mga nasa ilalim ng numerator, which are 7 and 5. So, magiging 7 times 5. And 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 5 is 35. The last step is to express your answer in the simplest form, meaning, kailangan nyo siyang i-lowest term. Pero sa case na to, dahil wala namang common factor ang 8 at 35, we leave it as it is. Ito na mismo yung ating answer. Example number 2. Imamultiply natin yung numerators at saka denominators and then we express it into lowest term if it's possible. So, magiging 2 times 3 over 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So, kung mapapansin nyo, 6 and 15, meron niyang common factor. Ano ang common factor ng 6 and 15? Yun ay 3. So, magiging 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang final answer dapat ay 2/5. Tandaan nyo po, ang tatanggapin nating sagot ay yung nasa simplest form. Yung problem na to, pwede pa natin itong masolve in a different way. You can use the cancellation method. Paano po ba ginagamit ang cancellation method? So, una, we have 2/3 times 3/5. So, ito madali lang naman to dahil pwede natin hindi express as a factor yung mga number. Pag magka-cancel tayo, tandaan natin, hindi tayo pwede mag-cancel ng parehong numerator. So, bawal i-cancel yung 2 and 3. Bawal din yung 3 and 5. So, kailangan opposite sila ng posisyon. So, sa case na to, ang pwede lang natin i-cancel is yung 3 and 3. We cannot cancel 2 and 3 kasi wala naman silang common factor. Hindi rin pwede yung 2 and 5. Wala silang common factor. It's only 3 and 3 na pwede. We'll have, ano yung common factor ng 3 at saka 3? Siyempre, 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is also 1. So, ano na lang matitira sa atin? Applying the identity property of multiplication, any number multiplied to 1 will result to the same number. So, it will become 2 over 5. Pareha lang naman yung sagot niyan. 2/5 yun ito, 2/5 din yung sa cancellation method. So, sino mas maikli? Siyempre, kapag ganito na meron silang common factor, mas madali na gamitan na lang ng cancellation method. Kasi dito, ang ginawa natin, after natin i-multiply, kinuha pa natin yung GCF. Dito, kapag nakita mo na meron silang common factor, you can cancel it right away. Number 3, negative 4 over 7 times 3 over 8. Number 3, negative 4 over 7 times 3 over 8. Sa case na to, dalawa ang gagamitin natin na solution, yung normal na multiplication, and then I'll also be using the cancellation method. Para makita nyo lang yung pagkakaiba. Simulan natin sa normal na multiplication. Kagaya nung ginawa natin nung una, ang sabi lang doon, step number 1, multiply the numerators and denominators. So, sa case na to, ang magdadala ng negative sign ay si 4. Magiging negative 4 times 3 over yung denominators, multiply them, so 7 times 8. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12 over 7 times 8 is 56. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, yung 12 and 56, pwede natin siyang i-express into lowest term. Paano? Hanapin natin yung GCF ng 12 and 56. So, sa case na to, ang GCF ng 12 and 56 ay 4. Ibig sabihin, we will divide both numerator and the denominator by 4. So, magiging 12 divided by 4 is 3, or negative 12 divided by 4 is 3. 56 divided by 4 is 14. Therefore, the final answer is negative 3 over 14. I-try natin gamitan ng cancellation method yung problem. So, magiging negative 4 over 7 times 3 over 8. Unlike nung kanina, na 3 and 3 yung kinancel natin dun sa problem number 2, dito naman, ang makakancel lang natin dyan is only 4 and 8. Yung 3 and 7, hindi pwede dahil wala naman silang common factor. Bawal din yung 4 and 7, wala naman silang common factor. Yung 3 and 8, hindi natin makakancel dahil wala naman silang common factor. So, it's only 4 and 8. Ang kailangan natin gawin ay, una, i-rewrite natin yung 8 as a factor na kailangan meron siyang factor na 4 para makancel natin silang dalawa. So, magiging 4 over 7 times 3 over, ang factors ng 8 ay 4 times 2. And then, you cancel out the common factors. So, yung common factor nila ay 4, so tanggal natin yung 4 and 4. We were left with 3 sa numerator over 7 times 2 is 14. And then, copy the negative sign. So, our final answer is negative 3 over 14. So, same lang ng answer, magkaiba lang sila ng method. Para nga po pala sa nagtataka ha, sa high school kasi, hindi na kami pala gumagamit ng X mark to indicate multiplication. So, common yung ginagamit na namin is yung center dot o kaya naman parenthesis to indicate ang aming operation na ginagamit ay multiplication. Okay, so sa case na to, we have 1 and 2/3 times 8 over 13. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong mixed number na kailangang i-multiply sa isang proper fraction. Pag proper fraction, ibig sabihin nun, mas maliit yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. So, itong mga to, 2/3, yan ay proper. Ito rin, proper. Kung 2/3 lang ha. Pero kung may 1 and 2/3, ibig sabihin ito ay mixed number. Ito, proper fraction. Ang gagawin nyo muna kapag ganito ang binigay ay, i-change nyo yung mixed number into improper fraction. Sa case na to, yung gagawin muna natin, yung 1 and 2/3, i-convert natin yung mixed number into improper fraction. So, paano yon? Una, kopyahin nyo muna yung denominator ng mixed number, which is 3. And then, para makuha yung bagong numerator, ang gagawin natin ay, i-multiply yung denominator at saka yung whole number. Then, whatever the result is, i-add natin yung kanyang numerator. So, magiging 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2, that is 5, times 8 over 13. Kung mapapansin nyo naman, wala naman tayong pwedeng i-cancel dyan, so hindi na natin siya gagamitan ng cancellation method. So, we will proceed with multiplying fraction. 5 times 8 over 3 times 13. And you'll have 5 times 8 is 40 over 3 times 13 is 39. Now, since kung mapapansin nyo, yung number na to ay improper fraction, improper dahil mas malaki yung numerator natin kaysa dun sa denominator, pwede nyo siyang i-express as a mixed number. So, paano siya i-express ng mixed number? Ang gagawin nyo lang, first, affix the denominator of the improper fraction. So, we'll have 39. Divide the numerator by the denominator, then express the remainder as a fraction. Yun po yung tamang sagot. Pareha po yan na tamang sagot. Nakadepende na lang sa inyong teacher kung alin yung gusto nila, if it's a mixed number or improper fraction. So, in my case, I accept any of the two naman. Dahil pareha naman yan na tamang sagot. For number 5, as you can see, there are two numbers na pwede natin i-cancel, which are 16 and 20. In order to cancel 16 and 20, what you're going to do is rewrite the fractions as factors of the numerators over the factors of the denominator. So, gagawa natin ng factors yung 16 at saka yung 20 para ma-cancel natin yung mga number. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel yung 19 and 17 since wala naman silang common factor. Kukopyahin lang natin yung 19 at saka 17. So, we have 19 over, ano yung factors ng 20? We'll have 5 times 4 times 16 we have 4 times 4 over 17. So, since meron ng common factor yung 20 and 16, pwede tayo mag-cancel. Ika-cancel natin is yung 4. So, isang 4 dito. So, isang 4 din yung ika-cancel natin sa itaas. And then, we proceed with multiplication. So, magiging, kung ano yung natirang factors, yun lang yung multiply natin. So, in this case, we have 19 times 4 over 5 times 17. 19 times 4 is 76. So, meron tayong 76 over 5 times 17 is 85. In this case, hindi natin pwedeng i-express into lowest term yung 76 over 85 kasi wala naman silang common factor. Our final will be 76 over 85. Let's have number 6. 2 times 3/4. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron lamang tayong whole number na kailangan i-multiply sa isang proper fraction. So, paano ba mag-multiply ng whole number at saka ng isang proper fraction? Tandaan nyo po, ang lahat ng whole number, ang denominator niyan ay laging 1, which makes the whole number the numerator. Sa case na to, ibig sabihin niyan, yung 2 na whole number, i-multiply natin doon sa numerator which is 3. Ang magiging solution natin ay magiging 2 times 3 over 4. Tandaan nyo yun na lahat ng whole number, kailangan nyo lang i-multiply yun sa numerator. Kung whole number lang ha, walang kasamang fraction. Kasi kung may kasamang fraction, edi mixed number yun. Iba naman yung case na yun. Yun yung ginawa natin kanina. Pero ito, dahil whole number lang to, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply sa numerator. So, magiging 2 times 3 is 6 over 4. Kung mapapansin natin, meron silang common factor which is 2. So, pwede natin i-express into lowest term yung ating fraction. Magiging 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. Or, you can also express it into mixed number. So, magiging 1 and 1/2. I-insert ko na lang dito yung solution ko bakit ito naging 1 and 1/2. Another way para isolve yung problem na to is also by cancellation. So, baka magtataka kayo, whole number tapos cancellation. Pwede po yun. Kasi diba ang sabi naman, yung whole number ay numerator. Magiging, ganito po, pag ginamitan natin ng cancellation method. 2 over 1. Tandaan nyo, lahat ng whole number, ang denominator niyan ay 1. Times 3 over, express natin yung 4 as a factor, wherein dapat makacancel natin yung 2. So, magiging 2 times 2. Pwede natin i-cancel yung 2. We'll have, cancel natin yung isang 2 dito, i-cancel natin yung isang 2 doon sa denominator. So, ang may iwan na lang sa atin is yung 3 over 2. Or, pag in-express nyo sa mixed number, magiging 1 and 1/2. Now, let's try naman yung multiplication of rational numbers in decimal form. So, kung kanina, puro fractions yung trinay natin, this time naman, we'll have the decimal form. Let's say you were given 1 and 6/10 times 3 and 7/10. So, paano ba mag-solve or paano ba mag-multiply ng mga decimals? Ganito lang naman kasimple yung gagawin natin. Una, arrange the numbers na vertical column. So, kung naka-vertical yan, dapat magkaka-align yung decimal point para hindi ka malilito later kung paano nyo siya isosolve. So, you'll have 1.6 times, gagamit ako ng x kasi this time, ang gagamitin natin is vertical column. So, naka-vertical yung ating magiging solution. So, times 3 and 7/10. Dapat pantay yung decimal point. Para di nakakalito mamaya kasi magbibilang din naman tayo. After arranging the numbers in vertical column, multiply the numbers as if you are multiplying whole number. Regardless muna kung meron siyang decimal point kapag nag-multiply tayo. Magiging 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 will have 11. And then, second layer na tayo. So, this time, mag-i-start na tayo dun sa tapat ng 1 since pangalawang layer na tayo. So, 6 times 3 is 18. We carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1, we'll have 4. And then, after multiplying, we add. So, magiging bring down 2. Since wala naman tayong i-add sa 2, which is 0. So, 2 plus 0 naman yan is 2. So, just bring down 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. So, we have 592. Pero wait, hindi pa yan yung ating final answer. Kasi diba tandaan natin, meron tayong decimal point. So, anong gagawin natin? The last part is, starting from the rightmost end of the product. So, mula dun sa 2, move the decimal point to the left, the same number of places, the sum of the decimal places in the multiplicand and the multiplier. So, ito yung multiplicand po natin. Ito yung multiplier. So, ilan ba yung mga numbers na nasa right ng decimal point? Doon sa ating multiplicand at saka nasa multiplier. Sa case na to, we have 6 and 7. So, isa, dalawa. So, ang gagawin din natin, from right, we are going to count steps to the left. So, magiging 1, 2. So, therefore, ang magiging decimal point natin ay nandito. Which means that our answer to this problem is 5 and 92 hundredths. Let's try 28 and 3 tenths times 4 and 27 hundredths. So, kagaya kanina, first, we write it in a vertical column. 28 and 3 tenths times 4 and 27 hundredths. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 7, wala siyang ka-align. Para hindi kayo malito, you can add 0. Para lang ma-avoid na kayo ay malilito kung alin na yung minumultiply ninyo. Mag-multiply na tayo, kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina. 0 times 7 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. So, we carry 2. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 2, we'll have 8. 58. So, magiging carry 5. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 5, magiging 19. And then, second layer na tayo. So, we're done with 7. Let's proceed with 2. 0 times 2 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry 1. Karaniwan ang pinapagawa ko, para di na malilito kung alin ang i-add nyo, tanggalin nyo na yung mga in-add nyo sa first layer. Pwede nyo nang tanggalin yan para mamaya, hindi na kayo malilito kung ano pa yung i-add ninyo. So, next, 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Next, third layer na tayo. Last number na, we have 4. So, 0 times 4 is 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. So, 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 1, we'll have 33. Carry 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And then, add. Wala namang ka-align si 0, so we bring down. We have 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 0, that's 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 6, 16. Plus 2 is 18. Carry 1 ulit. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. Plus 1, 10. Carry 1 ulit. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, bring down 1 since wala na siyang ka-align. So, ano magiging final answer natin? So, bibilang ulit tayo ng decimal point. So, sa case na to, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So, starting from right, bibilang tayo ng 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we'll have, kapag yung nasa dulo ay 0, pwede nyo na siyang hindi isama. So, ibig sabihin, yung magiging final answer natin for this problem is 120 and 841 thousandths. So, ito na po yung ating final answer. Ito naman, itry natin yung 4 and 215 thousandths times 3 and 75 hundredths. Kagaya kanina, wala naman magbabago sa steps. Gawin na natin. Meron tayong 4 and 215 times 3 and 75. So, lalagyan ko lang ng 0 sa dulo para di tayo malito. 5 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 4 times 0 is 0. Then 5 times 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. Third layer, buburahin ko na yung mga ito ha, para di tayo malilito kung ano na yung na-add natin. 5 times 7 is 35. So, next layer natin, so may pangatlo na rin tayo magsisimula. Carry 3. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Carry 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. Carry 1 ulit. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. And then, burahin na ulit natin to para di tayo malilito. The last layer, we have 5 times 3 is 15. So, itatapat natin siya dun sa 0. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1, that is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. And then, add. So, kung nalilito kayo na masyado siyang madami, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga 0, 0 dun sa ends just to see kung saan sila dapat nakatapat. Lalagyan ko na lang ng 0, 0 sa mga dulo para hindi kayo malilito alin na yung ina-add natin. 0 plus 0, syempre, magiging 0. 0 plus 5, so syempre magiging 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, so we carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4, that is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9, that's 12, plus 6 is 18. Carry 1 ulit. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and then bring down 1. Tapos, bilang ulit tayo ng decimal places. So, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, bibilang tayo ng 6 starting from the right. So, magiging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, i-omit na natin yung isang 0. So, tatanggalin na natin to. Ibig sabihin na magiging final answer natin ay 15 and 80,625 hundred-thousandths. So, yan na yung ating final answer. So, let's practice. I have here 4 problems. 2 of them ay fraction and the other 2 is decimal. Give yourself 5 minutes to answer the problem and then i-pause nyo muna yung video. Then, after answering, i-continue nyo to check your answer. So, gagawin ko na lang dito. I'll be giving you the answer and I'll be inserting na lang yung mga solutions para makita nyo kung bakit naging ganun yung mga sagot natin. So, for number 1, the answer is 3 over 8. Number 2, by using cancellation method, the answer is negative 21 over 26. Number 3, 5 and 32 hundredths. Number 4, have 2,904 hundred-thousandths. So, multiply the following. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes to answer following problems. And then, after answering, you can continue the video and check your answer. So, kagaya kanina, I'll be inserting na lang ulit yung mga solutions kung bakit naging ganun yung sagot sa bawat problems. Let's check number 1. The answer is 3 over 20. Number 2, negative 5 over 9. Number 3, 7 over 12. Number 4, 440 over 7. Or 62 and 6 over 7. Number 5, 815 and 1/10. Number 6, 30 and 76,875 hundred-thousandths. Sana'y matutunan kayo sa video ito. See you next time!